Hey guys, this is a quick recording of our new Trackplan app for the facilities management team. So the first screen you will see is the job screen. Now this has all jobs at the moment, but in the bottom right hand corner, click on this yellow cog and you can filter between planned jobs and reactive jobs. So I'll keep it on all jobs for the moment. You can also flick between open, completed, or have all jobs show up in that list. And furthermore, you can also filter by free text, so you can filter by the site, the location, the sub-location, or the job details itself. So you can see this first one here. I'll just type in handle. This is the only one to come up, and I can tap into it. So once I go into then, you can see the various different information about the job. So certain things like the site, status, priority, location, expected date, things like that. Also down at the bottom, you have a couple of job actions. So you have a complete job, you have an add photo, and you have an add note. So I'll quickly run through them. I'll add in a quick note. Say job done. I'll save that. And then if you see in the bottom, with the time and date, the note, and the created by, which is just the email. I'll quickly add a photo. So I'll just take a picture of my mouse. And also you can draw and annotate. So I'll just do a quick arrow, save that, and once I go down then, that photo should show up. You can tap on the photo and it'll just show up as a little modal window. You can also complete the job, so I'll quickly just complete this one. Just say job done, and that should have completed the job there for me. You can see the box as well as gone green around there. So if I just come out and go into completed, you should see that job there, number 1130, and then the job has been completed. Also you can create new jobs on the fly. So I will go in and you have create a new job with a photo, create a new job without a photo. So I'll just create a job with a photo. Again, take a quick photo of my mouse, draw over it, save it, and this will bring me to the new job screen. So I can put in my job details, give it a site, and I'll give it an expected date. So I will give it 31st of August, the month's time. And there as well you can see the attached photo to that new job. I'll save that. And once I go back into my open list, you can see the box has a little red ring around it. That just means it's pinned in and it hasn't been sent to Trackplan yet. But all the job details are actually in there. And once it syncs up with Trackplan, then that should actually assign it with a new job number. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and that's the new app that we have on the way for Trackplan Software.